Hello there, I'm Dr. Ace, and today we are diving into a topic that piques the interest in both men and women, since it's crucial for affecting everything from energy levels to mood, not only in men but also in women. Together, we will explore the most common signs, dig deep into the underlying causes, and finally arm you with the practical strategies to boost your testosterone levels, or keep them from ever dipping in the first place. Join me on this journey to better understand how our modern lives impact this crucial hormone and what we can do to take control of it. We're going to start with the signs of low testosterone. First, picture this. John, an once energetic marathon runner, now finds himself winded just after a short jog. He's confused and frustrated. What's happening? Well, a noticeable drop in physical stamina and endurance can be a sign of low testosterone. Many people find it harder to engage in physical activities they once enjoyed, feeling tired quicker than usual. Testosterone is like the fuel that powers our energy levels and muscle strength, so if you notice a decline in these factors, it is a red flag to watch out for. Now here is another sign of low testosterone. Picture this. There is Sarah. She's an ace at her job who suddenly struggles with focus and experiences what she describes as mental fog. Sometimes it is not just stress and is low testosterone that can be the main culprit in these cases, since this hormone plays a significant role in cognitive function even on women, and its decrease can result in difficulties with memory, concentration, and mental clarity. Now, number 3. Ever felt like you could sleep for a week and still be tired? Tom did. Even after a good night's sleep, he was constantly fatigued. This persistent exhaustion despite adequate rest is a common sign of low testosterone, which is essential for maintaining energy levels. Mood swings, irritability, and depression can be related to low testosterone levels. This hormone has a significant impact on mental well-being, and its deficiency will generate a negative emotional state. Number 5. Loss of muscle mass and strength. There's no coincidence that many athletes over the years have been caught for doping, which is basically using supraphysiological doses of testosterone or testosterone-like compounds. This happens because testosterone has an incredible anabolic power, which means it can make you stronger and faster in a quick and consistent manner. This is not only true for external sources of testosterone, but also for your natural testosterone. So if your levels of testosterone are low, you will notice it's going to be hard, if not impossible, to build substantial muscle mass. No matter how much you exercise, if you are going through this, you please need to listen to me, and instead of risking your health by doing like those athletes and doping with external testosterone, you need to watch this video to the end and follow my tips to raise your testosterone naturally. Number 6. Increase in body fat. Let's talk about the dead bod. Increased body fat, especially around the abdomen, can be linked to low testosterone. This hormone helps regulate fat distribution, and without it, you might see those extra pounds piling up. Number 7. Loss of bone density. Testosterone also plays a role in bone density. Low levels of this hormone can lead to a decrease in bone density, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Now that we have identified some of the most common signs of low testosterone, it is crucial to understand the underlying causes. Below we will discuss various factors that can contribute to the decrease in testosterone levels. First, exposure to toxins. Exposure to chemicals and environmental toxins can significantly decrease testosterone levels. Many everyday products, such as plastics, cosmetics, and cleaning products, contain chemicals that can negatively affect the endocrine system. Here are some specific toxins to be aware of. Bisphenol A, which is called BPA, is probably the most well-known of a family of chemicals used in the production of polycarbonate plastics for its effect in the hardness of plastic. It can also be found in epoxy resins. Not only has it been linked to low testosterone levels, but also to erectile dysfunction and cancers, both prostate and breast cancers. You can find it in reusable plastic bottles, clear hard plastic items, the lining of food cans also. So the food cans, they are not only aluminum, they also have a lining of plastic around them, inside. There's also parabens, another large family of chemicals, but the most common forms we find are the methyl, butyl, propyl, and heptyl parabens. All have a weak affinity for estrogen receptors. They are at most present in sun lotions, and this is where they have the most potential to cause damage, as the large surface area of the body requires a lot of lotion. So if you are out in the sun, please have a gradual exposure or use paraben-free lotions. And you will also find them in a wide variety of products like cosmetics, shampoos, toothpaste, shaving gels. There is also the phthalates. Phthalates are also known as the scent of death. They are found in many air fresheners, scented candles, and other items with the mysterious ingredient called perfume. They are also used to make plastics more flexible. You can find them in many cosmetic and personal care items as well. Make sure you stay away from body spray, air fresheners, scented bathroom sprays, and they also have been found a lot in many fast food items, so it's best to avoid those for your health. Now, talking about food, another thing that can make your testosterone get lower is a diet deficient in essential nutrients. A lack of protein, vitamins, and minerals such as zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D can impede the optimal production of testosterone. Additionally, both excess and deficiency of calories have adverse side effects on testosterone levels. A sedentary lifestyle, which is the lack of physical activity, is another common cause of low testosterone. Regular exercise, especially resistance training, can stimulate testosterone production. On the other hand, excessive and prolonged exercise, such as marathons, can have the opposite effect due to the stress it imposes on the body. There is also alcohol and drug consumption. Excessive consumption of alcohol and drugs can reduce testosterone levels. These substances can affect the function of the liver and other organs, which in turn can interfere with the hormone production. Another thing that can affect testosterone is aging. While many people believe that aging inevitably leads to a decline in testosterone, recent studies reveal that our lifestyle choices play a much bigger role than age itself. By adopting and maintaining certain habits we will explore shortly, you can effectively preserve your testosterone levels as the years go by. Now, to better understand how to increase testosterone, it's helpful first to know how this hormone is produced in the body. Testosterone production begins in the hypothalamus, a region of the brain that releases gonadotropin-releasing hormone, which is GnRH. GnRH travels to the pituitary gland, where it stimulates the release of follicular-stimulating hormone, which is FSH, and luteinizing hormone, which is LH. LH is particularly important here for testosterone production, as it stimulates Leydig cells in the testes to produce testosterone from cholesterol. Here comes the importance of cholesterol. Cholesterol is essential for testosterone production. Extremely restrictive diets, such as raw veganism, can negatively affect the production of testosterone due to the lack of necessary cholesterol for its synthesis. Maintaining adequate cholesterol levels is crucial for hormonal health. Now, the time has come for us to finally discuss the strategies to increase testosterone. We start with stress management. Implementing stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, and cognitive behavior therapy can help reduce cortisol levels and consequently improve testosterone levels. Another important factor is sleep quality. Establishing a regular sleep routine, avoiding blue light exposure before bed, and creating a good sleep environment can help improve sleep quality and increase testosterone levels. There is also the importance of a balanced diet. Oysters, leafy greens, fatty fish, olive oil, onions, and ginger will help you boost your testosterone levels. Also, ensure you get enough micronutrients like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. Avoid processed food, canned or plastic packaged food, and limit alcohol intake. There is also the importance of regular exercise, incorporating resistance training such as weightlifting and high-intensity interval training, which is called HIIT, can effectively stimulate testosterone production. A 2015 study found that increased physical activity was more beneficial than calorie restriction for increasing testosterone levels in men with obesity. The effects of testosterone can vary based on the type of exercise and its intensity. Resistance training has been shown to boost testosterone levels in the short term, and HIIT can be very effective as well. However, all forms of exercise are likely to have positive impact on testosterone levels as long as they are not excessive. and we're going to talk about that later. It is important to avoid overtraining and allow enough time for recovery. There's also the importance of reducing toxin exposure. As we talked about, minimizing the use of products containing harmful chemicals such as certain processed foods and plastic packaged items is essential. Opting for organic foods can further help reduce toxin exposure and improve hormonal health. Moderation in alcohol and caffeine consumption is also extremely important. You need to opt for natural beverages and limit these substances to moderate levels, because if you use too much of them, you're gonna reduce your testosterone levels as well. There's also sometimes the need of supplementation with specific nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, vitamin D. These can be necessary to correct deficiencies. In these cases, you need to consult with a medical doctor, your medical doctor of trust, to see if your case is one of them, to check if you need to supplement with them. There is also, as we talked about before, the importance of avoiding prolonged aerobic exercise. While exercise is beneficial for testosterone, prolonged aerobic exercise such as long-distance running can reduce testosterone levels due to the physical stress it imposes on the body. It is important to balance different types of exercise to optimize hormone production. Another important step to take is to have adequate sun exposure, which is crucial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Sunlight helps you regulate your circadian cycle, and hormonal production, including testosterone, depends on this cycle being well regulated. Now, in conclusion, if you have any symptoms of low testosterone or simply wish to prevent future problems, do not hesitate to implement these strategies discussed here. I hope this video has been helpful to you and inspires you to make positive life changes to optimize your testosterone levels. And if you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, leaving a like and a comment below. Remember that your like can help save lives. I thank you very much for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye!